Bam! There's another one. Good morning, everybody. This is my piranha pit fish farm video of the day. The catch of the day. Catching some monster shell crackers, also known as red-eared sunfish or mutant giant bluegill. Look at the size of that thing. I'm using soft tortilla shells this morning. It's a nice clean bait. It's cheap. It's easy to use. Does not compare to the fried chicken skin though. I used that yesterday and caught a slew of them just as fast as I could get it in the water. So that's probably a superior bait to the soft tortilla shells. But the soft tortilla shells is my go-to bait and the one that I usually use. I'm using little tiny hooks about as big as your fingernail, fluorocarbon leader, and a high visibility braided line on a super feather light rod. It's doing a good job of catching some nice shell crackers this morning. These things are delicious to eat, so I've heard, but I've never eaten one. Even though I've caught thousands of them, I just like to catch them for fun. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss any of my informative fishing shows. I have good trips where I go places and catch fish, sailing videos, all kinds of good stuff. So yeah, subscribe. Look at the size of these giant fish we're catching this morning. I catch them every day like that. I think I've only got skunked about 3 times in an entire year. And the weather was atrocious, believe me. But as usual, I'm going to catch me a mess of fish. And I thank you all for watching. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe.